Hi, my dear students, welcome to my class again. So, did you do the fitness sessions as I had told you to do? It is very important to take care of your health. Today, I have something new for you. You should help your parents in their household chores. I'm not asking you to do big things, but small things you can do, right? Like filling the water bottles or cutting the vegetables, but while helping your parents, be very careful. Make sure that you don't get hurt. So that's about helping your parents. Let us quickly recap what we did in the last session in Dashu's secret box module 1. Let us remember the characters in the story. There are 5 characters in the story. The first character is, of course, the narrator who has narrated the story to us. The second character is Dashu, whose real name is Dashrathi. Third characteristic is Jagabandhu. Fourth character is Pandit Mashai, and fifth character is Bishtu Babu. Now, Dashu is a very fun-loving boy, and he enjoys fooling his friends with the help of some well-thought-out pranks. So, our Dashu is a prankster. But when it came to his looks, he has got long, round eyes, long ears, and his hair are untidy. But when it comes to studies, he is quite good. In mathematics, arithmetic problems, his brain worked very well. There is one more quality which Dashu's friend has spoken about him in the story. It's that his body language. His body language is similar to lobster. So when Dashu joined the school, Jagabandhu was famous as the best boy of the class, and that is why Dashu wanted to know the meaning of an English word, and that is why he had approached Jagabandhu. But Jagabandhu is not a helpful chap at all. He did not help Dashu. In fact, he snubbed him very rudely, saying, "Today I would help you, and others would also come to me with similar requests, and I would go on wasting my time like this." On this, Dashu had given him a bad name and had received a very royal telling off from Pandit Mashai. Now let us see what happens in the story further to this. Bishtu Babu taught us English. Jagabandhu was his favorite student. While lecturing, whenever he needed to refer to textbook, Bishtu Babu would get it from Jagabandhu. So who is their English teacher, children? It is Bishtu Babu. And now while reading, whenever he needed any reference to refer, he needed any book, he used to take it from Jagabandhu. One day, while teaching us grammar, he asked Jagabandhu for the book. Our friend immediately handed him the green cover wrapped grammar book. As he opened it, Master Mashai asked, "Whose book is this?" Now see, children, here they are using a word called Mashai, which means sir. Okay, so when sir wanted the book, he opened the book and he just asked him very gravely, "Whose book is this?" Flushed with pride, Jagabandhu replied, "Mine." Master Mashai said, "Is this a new addition? The entire book has changed." "I see." With that, he started reading. Hair-raising detective tales of Inspector Jashoban. Now what has happened? The teacher was expecting grammar book, but he has found what? It's a book on detective tales of Inspector Jashoban. Unable to understand what was happening, Jagabandhu just froze, flabbergasted. Now what is Jagabandhu's reaction on this? The teacher was expecting the English grammar book, but what he has got? He has got a novel, or he has got a story book on detective tales of Inspector Jashoban. And they have used an adjective called hair-raising. Hair-raising means very much frightening. Mashai rolled his eyes. "So you are learning such high things, huh?" Jagabandhu tried to mutter something, but Sir Mashai cut him short. So what has happened is that teacher was expecting the grammar book, but it is some other book, and that is why now Jagabandhu tried to defend himself by muttering something, but Sir was very angry. He cut him short and said, "Just be quiet. No need to act nice and good. Enough of that." Jagabandhu's ear went red with shame, and we of course were delighted to see that. Later we learned that this had been the work of our Dashu, who had placed another green covered book in place of Jagabandhu's grammar book. So now we have come to know what has happened. The book, it was not at all Jagabandhu's fault. He was having his grammar book only. But our dear old Dashu has made this mischief and he played a prank on Jagabandhu. Why do you think Dashu must have done it? Maybe he wanted to teach a lesson to Jagabandhu because he was being rude to him. And he has replaced the book, the English grammar book of Jagabandhu, with hair-raising stories of Inspector Jashoban. So that was another prank which was played by Dashu on Jagabandhu. Everybody was laughing at Jashobantu. Children, I would like you to notice few words from this extract which I read. The first word which I would like you to see is hair raising. Children, the meaning of hair raising is very much frightening, because this particular hair raising is a adjective. So it means to be scared of something. What is the meaning of frightening? To be scared of something. This particular word has been used as an adjective for the detective tales of Inspector Jashoban. So the writer means to say that the detective stories are so scary, and that is why he has used this particular adjective. Okay, hair raising. Another sentence which I would like to share with you with hair raising is, the hair raising silence during the night made me really scared. This is another sentence which I have used using the word hair raising. Now another word which I would like you to understand from this excerpt is flabbergasted, surprised. When I came to on my birthday, I was flabbergasted by my mother's surprised birthday party plan. Flabbergasted means to become surprised. Okay. Now the third idiom I would like you to know is ear went red. Means an expression that matters to feel ashamed. Children, there is one more word which I had taught you in the last class, which means ashamed, is embarrassed. Now we have another word, that ear went red. When I did not know the answer, my ear went red with shame. Okay, so these are the three words which I would like you to know. So let us do a recap of today's module 2 session. What has happened was, Dashu was very much cross with Jagabandhu because he had not helped him with a doubt, and that is why he wanted to teach a lesson to Jagabandhu. Now, as Jagabandhu was a very famous student, Mr. Bistu Babu, their English teacher, also used to like Jagabandhu a lot. In fact, he was his favorite student. So whenever while teaching Jagabandhu needed a book, he used to ask from Jagabandhu only. So one day, on one such day, what had happened was, when he opened the book given by Jagabandhu to him, it was not the English grammar book, rather it was a book called Hair-Raising Stories of Inspector Jashoban. And this all had been work of Dashu, who had replaced the English grammar book with this story book. So this was a prank which was played by Dashu. So now we have come to know a lot about Dashu, one of the pranks played by Dashu. In the third session, I will be telling you about the secret box which Dashu had. Till then, keep studying hard, keep working hard, and keep enjoying your life. Thank you very much.